everybody, this is Srilekha and my presentation topic is Wireshark. These are a few subtopics that I'm going to be talking of. Introduction, idea of how Wireshark looks, features, what was assignment 2 about, disadvantages, conclusion, and references. Introduction. What is a network protocol? A network protocol defines rules and conventions for communication between network devices. Protocols for computer networking all generally use packet switching techniques to send and receive messages in the form of packets. Network protocols include mechanisms for devices to identify and make connections with each other, as well as format rules that specify how data is packaged into messages sent and received. Some of the examples of network protocols are TCP, ICMP, UDP, SNMP, SMTP, DNS, etc. One's understanding of network protocols can often be greatly deepened by seeing protocols in action and by playing around with protocols, that is, observing the sequence of messages exchanged between two protocol entities, delving down into the details of protocol operation and causing protocols to perform certain actions and then observing these actions and their consequences. This can be done in simulated scenarios or in a real network environment such as internet. In the Wireshark labs, we can do it. We will be running various network applications in different scenarios using our own computer. We will observe the network protocols in our computer in action, interacting and exchanging messages with protocol entities executing elsewhere in the internet. Wireshark is a free and open source packet analyzer. It is used for network troubleshooting, analysis, software and communication, protocol development, and education. Originally, it was named Ethereal, and the project was renamed Wireshark in May 2006 due to trademark issues. Wireshark is a cross-platform using GTK plus Widget Toolkit in current releases and Qt in the development version to implement its user interface. There is also a terminal-based, that is non-GUI version called T-Shark. Wireshark is very similar to TCP dump, but has a graphical front end plus some integrated sorting and filtering options. So let's get an idea of how Wireshark looks. We see clearly, that we have source, destination, protocol, length, information. So what is source? Source is basically the IP address of the computer that we're working on. And destination is basically the IP address of the computer that we're sending packets of data to. And there are a lot of protocols, as you can see, on the slide, it's ARP, ICMP, TCP, and many others. So what is length? Length is basically, the number of bits, or I can say the number of, bits that are being sent across from the source to the destination. Features. Wireshark basically captures live packet data from network interface. It displays packets with very detailed protocol information. Data can be captured from the wire from a live network connection or read from a file of already captured packets. Wireshark is a software that understands the structure or encapsulation of different networking protocols. Wireless connections can also be filtered as long as they traverse the monitored Ethernet. Raw USB traffic can be captured. Various settings like timers and filters can be set that ensure only triggered traffic appears on Wireshark. It creates various statistics. It also makes live capture from many different network media. So, what was assignment 2 all about? First of all, it brought about a lot of awareness of Wireshark to me and helped me understand what sort of hacking some people do. It made me acquaint myself with Wireshark and also helped me make some simple packet captures and observations. It taught me a few meanings like packet capture, packet sniffer, packet analyzer, and I also got to see it live on Wireshark, which was very interesting and highly educative. What is packet capture? Packet capture is a computer networking item for intercepting a data packet that is crossing or moving over a specific computer network. Packet sniffer. This is the basic tool for observing messages that are exchanged between executing protocol entities. As the name suggests, a packet sniffer captures or sniffs messages being sent or received from or by your computer. It will also typically store and display the contents of various protocol fields in these captured messages. Packet analyzer. The second component of the packet sniffer is packet analyzer, which displays the contents of all the fields within a protocol message. In order to do so, the packet analyzer must understand the structure of all the messages that are exchanged between protocols. Assignment 2 showed me different protocols that appear after packet capture of a website is done. It taught me what the internet address of my computer is, which is called the source, and what the address, of the computer is that I'm sending packets to from my computer, which is called destination. I also understood how hackers use packet sniffers, example Wireshark, to steal confidential information. I learned a lot about vulnerable websites. What are these? Certain websites are not protected well and are vulnerable to hacking. I got to test out a lot of websites and found that some are unprotected and some are protected well. Many of us want to know what the steps are in order to track some examples of vulnerable websites. Well, for that, first of all, start Wireshark, then go to a website, whichever website that you want to go to, key in the ID and password, and stop Wireshark. What do we notice? If we notice that the password that we keyed in while logging into any website is displayed on Wireshark, it means it's vulnerable and also that it's been hacked. If we do not find the password on Wireshark that we keyed into the website when logging into it, it means that it's not vulnerable to attacks. Applications of Wireshark: exposing VoIP problems, supporting malware detection, helping recognize DOS attacks, and downloading FLV files. The advantages of Wireshark are troubleshoot network problems, examine security problems, debug protocol implementations, and learn network protocol internals. The disadvantages are that Wireshark is not an intrusive detection system and that it does not manipulate things on the network. Conclusion: Wireshark's wireless analysis features have grown to be a very powerful tool for troubleshooting and analyzing wireless networks. With Wireshark's display filters and powerful protocol detector features, we can shift through large quantities of wireless traffic. Without a doubt, Wireshark is a powerful assessment and analysis tool for wireless network that should be a part of every auditor, engineer, and consultant toolkit. Thank you so very much.